everyone, it's Tracy. This is my kit for May 2019. I'm doing it the way that I used to do it, where I would find an inspiration page, which is going to be this paper here. It is from Crate Paper. It's Good Vibes. I love all the mini colors in this. Whenever I try to find an inspiration page, I do try to find something that has lots of colors that I can build from. I tried to get a stripe, a wood grain, a ledger paper or notebook paper, a dot. I tried to mix up the different types of papers that I get, and I just went through my stash. I have my papers. Most of them are by collection, but if I don't know, some of them are by color. So today I just went through the Good Vibes and I pulled this paper out, and then the rest of everything else I got from my papers that were part of the, that come in the color that I have. Oh, anyway, you'll see as I go along. All right, so this is, oh here, let me show you. I wanted to have a yellow. I love, love, love yellow. And I thought that this would be pretty to even do as a border around it, just trim out the middle. And also there are only 4 Mondays in the month of May, so I'm only going to be making 3 layouts. I might make 4. We will see. I have enough papers to make 4, so I may just go ahead and do that. Becky calls me an overachiever. So maybe that is true. Okay, so I have this yellow. I have this ledger paper. Now, I know that this paper has been on the ground. I probably rolled over it a time or two. But I'm not too worried about this bottom part because I can, I can trim that off. I can make this, as something down the middle. I'm not too worried about it being dirty down here at the bottom. So there is my ledger paper, and then I have this dots, which I think has a lot of the same colors here. It does add another color as a gray, but you don't really see that to me. You just see and of course, see, black is here. This is kind of a purple blue color, and I found this one to be the hardest one to match. And then I did pull some cardstock. I wanted to go ahead and get that pulled first thing. So I pulled this navy, and then this is kind of a red wine color. I'll probably do it, as a outside border. I have a lot of cardstock that I need to get used up. I also, let's see, I have this color green, which I felt coordinated well with this color. And then I also pulled, these are like scrap papers. So while I was in my yellow bin, I pulled this out. And these, actually, I know these came from the Sunny Days, so I thought that color worked well with that. And then that one doesn't, but I love it for this color. It's cream based. And then I have some navy. And then here's some floral. And these dots here, as you can tell, I cut those out. So I'll probably cut those out as well. Use them as an embellishment. So these are my scrap pieces of paper that I pulled, and then I tried to keep it all together with a binder clip. All right, and put that under there. And then as for my embellishments, I also pulled this from the Good Vibes. This is the only frame I have left. I pulled this from Ellie Studio from my stash. And this is Freckle Fawn. Not all of it matches, but there's a few of them, especially the white ones. If I can use those up, that would be great. This is something, and I don't know if the other girls from the Mini Kit Monday are planning on using the ephemera from Cheeky Studios, but look at this. This is amazing. Look at how that purple just really matches that. So I think that this kit right here, which this one is, oh, it says Wildflowers Ephemera Set 2. And I thought this was perfect. Now I love floral, and it won't be hard for me to use this. I guess the goal is to see how much I can use up. What can I say? All right, so there is that. And then I got this at Tuesday morning. I've said this so many times. I don't like enamel dots. I don't like them. I'm not a big fan of them because, well, I have multiple reasons. But the colors in here, I think will work with everything that I have here. I don't know if the tone is exactly right, but we will see, because it comes in butterflies and this, I would call this a flower-shaped stars. We will see. And then I have these tags. I got these also from Tuesday morning, and they were part of the Pink Paisley, oh goodness, I don't know which collection, but I just pulled those out of that, just a few tags. And then that was in my stash. And then there are these butterflies. I know these are from Cocoa Vanilla. Look at that, so pretty. And then I have this vellum feather and a cut file feather and a couple of wood grain feathers. And then here is another butterfly. I don't know why I pulled this out. I don't even think it's going to go with anything, but you know, just in case this all goes. So this is going to be my kit. I'm going to try to stick with this. I will more than likely add white paper and sequins. Those are the only two things that I leave open that for me to grab. But this is it. This is it. So I love to see what your kit is going to be. Make sure you post it under the May Challenge album. I know it was a little confusing last month, but for you to get credit for, you know, getting your name in the hat for all the weeks of doing your kit in your pages, they need to be posted in there. It is very hard to keep up with everyone's layouts if they're not posted in there. So there's a FYI. So I wanted to make sure that you guys do that, and make sure that you're checking back often, because we do have pop-up challenges, so we don't want you to miss that. And that is it. Make sure you check out the other ladies that created their layouts. It would be Becky and Dolly, Kathy, Leslie, Shannon, and Daisy. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.